Subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
Hello everyone, it's me Ashish Johan from ashvircreations. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Well, today in this video I'm gonna show you how to create a 26 January special photo manipulation in Photoshop. 26 January is considered to be a Republic Day for the Indians, and I really proud of that I am born in India. So before getting to the video, just press the like button on this video, and if you still haven't subscribed to our channel, then do subscribe and just press the bell icon so that it will get notified whenever you post new video. And log on to our website, that is www.ashvircreations.com. From there you can find new backgrounds, camera preset, lightroom preset and every kind of photo editing stuff for free. So go and check it out, that website, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Let's jump to the Photoshop. Open the photo in which you want to get edited. Now you just capture your photo in any kind of pose like this, and just use the quick selection tool from the toolbox to make it selected. So let's just select the subjects. Just right click on and select layer copy option, or you can directly press Ctrl J from the keyboard to make the duplication of the layer. Here we have made a duplication. Now all you need to do is just open the background. So I'll go to the file, click on open, and let's add some background to the image. So let's select this mountain image, just drag it and drop over here. Press Ctrl T to enlarge the image, and you can just keep it somewhere over here. Now we want to keep it as our Instagram profile, so first of all we will crop the image by using the crop tool just to make it more and more bigger. Later on we will just crop the final image. So let's just go to the file, click on open, and let's add the flag image. Just drag it and drop over here. Press Ctrl T from the keyboard. And you can just keep it somewhere over here. And if you want to increase the size, then let's just press Ctrl D, and you can enlarge the pole of the flag and just stretch it. Now let's just press Ctrl D and just move it a little bit. Now you can stretch the background a little bit, so just press Ctrl T and select this upper portion and stretch it in the upward direction and just press OK. So we have stretched the sky. Now all you need to do is just merge both the layers. Right click on it and select merge layers. First of all we'll keep this as our duplication, so let's just duplicate the layer of the flag and just unhide it. Now just merge both the layers, right click on it and select merge layer. Now we will highlight the subject, so let's go to the adjustment tool and just go to the levels, click on the below clipping mask, move the slider from left to right and just increase the highlights. So just move it from the right to left. So here you can see a huge difference can be seen on the subject's body and face. Whole body is brightened up. Now we will just make the hairs of the subject. So select the smudge tool from the toolbox and just move it in the upward direction so that it will make the hairs of the subject. just like this way. Now here we have almost completed our smudging. Now let's blacken the hair by using the burn tool. Make the exposure to around 50 or 100, whatever you want, just make it more black, and that's it. Now we're gonna add some kind of rocks to the photograph. So let's open the rocky PNG, just drag it and drop over here. And you can place it somewhere over here. Let's select the eraser tool and just erase it a little bit from here. Now we will just decrease the saturation, so just press Ctrl U from the keyboard and just decrease the lightness, and just press Ctrl L, make it more darker, and just press Ctrl M to select the curves. And all you need to do is just click over here and just increase the blackness. And that's it. Now just press OK. Now here also we will do the same thing. Just to press Ctrl Alt M, so it will automatically take the last adjustment of the image. And that's it. Just press OK. Now all you're gonna do is just blur the forward rocks that is filtered. Just go to the filter, click on blur and just go to the Gaussian blur and just blur it more. Now the next thing we will do is just blur the image of the background, or let's add some kind of LUTs to the photograph. Before adding, let's just add some smoke particles or dirt particle to the photograph. So let's open the image and just press Ctrl M, and let's add some dirt on the image. You can keep it somewhere over here, and let's add some more dirt image. Ctrl A, Ctrl C to copy and just paste by using the Ctrl V. Press Ctrl T to enlarge the image. You can place it somewhere over here. Let's select the eraser tool and just delete some unwanted area. Select the soft round brush and you can just delete it from here. Now all you're gonna do is just to square up the image. So let's just select the crop tool from here, and let's just make the square image for our Instagram profile. Now this much wood is looking pretty much perfect. And here you can just press Ctrl, press enter from the keyboard. Now all you gotta do is just go to the filter and then go to the blur, then just select the box blur and just make it more blur. Let's make it to around 16%. Or if you don't want to blur, then it's okay, you can just keep it like this, or it has to be blurred. So let's go to the filter, select blur and then just select the Gaussian blur. And that's it. Now we'll go to the, now let's just merge all the layers from here, right click on it. First of all we will just duplicate the layer. Now we'll just merge all the layers from it. Here right click on it and select merge layers. And let's add some more particles to the image. Just press Ctrl A, Ctrl C and just paste it by using the Ctrl V. Change it to screen mode. Just increase the size of the brush. And just keep it somewhere over here. Now just merge both the layers, right click on it, select one, and again let's crop the image. So let's go to the filter, select camera filter and let's add some kind of filter to the photograph. So just go to the preset tab and you can just select any of the presets from here. Whichever it is more suitable, you can just keep it. Now let's select this preset from here and let's add some kind of flutes to vignette on the image. So let's select this. This whole preset can be found from our website. You can download it from there for free. Now if you want to change the color to teal and change the color of the teal, then you can change it from here. and just press OK. So here you can see we have almost created our final retouching. Now if you want to add this then let's go to the blur, then let's select the Gaussian blur and again just make it work, because you want to maintain the green color of the flag. So you need to just to make the duplication of that flag so that you can achieve that color later on. You can just delete it from here. So here you can see that we have just merge both the layers, right click on it and select merge layers. So here you can see we have created a 26th January Republic Day special for a manipulation in Photoshop. Here you can see the before and after image. It is really looking very natural and unique theme for your profile for the Republic Day. If you are planning to make, then you can this would be the perfect option for your Instagram profile. Well, I hope you guys have enjoyed the video, and if you enjoyed, then just press the like button on this video so that it will motivate me to make more videos like this for you guys. And if you still haven't subscribed to our channel, then do subscribe and press the bell icon so that you will get notified whenever I post new video. And log on to our website, that is www.ashvircreations.com. From there you can find new backgrounds, camera preset, lightroom preset and every kind of photo editing stuff for free. So go and check it out, that website. Well, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Well, thank you for watching and bye bye till the next video.